Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I'm actually super excited for this video. This turned up yesterday. This has been on my wish list since I found out about it. I think it was just after it had come off Kickstarter and I was kicking myself that I hadn't seen it. But it is a very expensive deck, and it was one that I was going to have to wait for because I can't justify spending that much money on myself a lot of the time. And I've been working really hard lately and thought, you know what, I'm just going to do it. So this is the This Might Hurt tarot deck, and including shipping and everything, it came up to like more or less £50. And I got it from the Little Red Tarot, I think it's called. And they are stockists for quite a lot of indie decks. So just looking at this box straight away, Isabella Rotman has done an incredible job. So she's got each of the suits on the side, beautifully illustrated in gold there, and on the back she's saying how she's kept it quite similar to the Rider-Waite tradition, but she's also brought it forward, so it's a very modern deck. And it's created by Isabella Rotman, coloured by Addison Duke. Oh, guys, it's incredible. So, it is magnetic. You guys know I love a magnetic box. Dun dun dun. I have opened it just to have a look at it and flick through, but I've not really done any fiddling around with it yet. So this is the guidebook. It's quite a nice thick guidebook. There is 180 pages, and each one has a full page of the card. It's black and white, full page of the card, and then a full page of what the card means. And I think that's the same. Yeah, that's the same with the Major Arcana as well. So it's not taking anything away from the suits. It's not making their paragraphs smaller. It's actually keeping it all the same. And each card, I like this as well, has like a sentence. So the King of Swords is leadership through unbiased judgment. So I like how she's done that. Three of Wands is the intern. And then she doesn't do that with the Major Arcanas. But I really, really like that. Okay, so then this is actually quite a detailed book. In here, we've got history, reading, the cards, we've got a spread there, the language of tarot, the Major Arcana, the Minor Arcana, and then she goes into details about each of the suits here and how the numbers come into play with when reading the tarot too. She talks about the court cards, each of those, and she even goes on to talking about the gender of the tarot as well, and reversed as well. I don't read reversed, but and she's also said that she's not going to put reversed meanings in here. Let me just see. Oh, so she does read reversed, but all she believes is that if you pull a card reversed, it just means that the meaning of the qualities of the card have become blocked. So you just blocked off from whatever that card means, which is a good way of looking at it. I like that. So that's the book. Very good. I am actually going to read that book. So let's just tip the cards out. Whoopsie. Gave you a little sneak peek there. So even the inside of the box, she's taken time out to really focus on details of the inside. This is a first edition box. Gives you the website and a couple of other details in there. Okay, so let's have a look at the back of the cards first. So again, just absolutely stunning. I am in love with this deck. I'm so happy with it. So even though she said, you know, you don't have to read reversed, it's entirely up to you, she's put it so that if you did want to read reversed, you could do, because it is the same either way up you put it. I like that it's black and white. It's simple, but again, it's still got a bit of a modern twist to it. It's absolutely beautiful. So yes, overall, very happy. Let me just talk about the cardstock as well. This is the first indie deck I've bought. It's also the most expensive deck I've bought, so you'd expect it to be quite good quality, and I was not disappointed. It's just, I don't know how to describe it. It's like a creamy matte. You'll know exactly what I mean when you just pick it up and feel it. It's beautiful cardstock. And it's not flimsy either. It's absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, very happy. Now there's two different gilding options. There's this one, which is the black holographic, and there is pearl holographic as well. The black holographic is the first edition. I do believe the pearl holographic was the second edition. She brought that out after, so it was originally black. But I don't think you can go wrong with a bit of black ever, and it goes with the deck so well. So yes, I chose black. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to put a little bit of music on like I would normally and just flick through the deck. You don't want to hear me rambling on as I'm going through each of the cards. So I will see you in the next video, because I won't be talking again. See you soon.